Hello guys, my name is Felipe with Velocity Factor. This segment is brought to you by APR Performance, the leaders in carbon fiber aerodynamic products. Today we got a really exciting car. It's a 2021 GTR. We're going to install their carbon fiber air vents, and we're also installing a carbon fiber rear wing, which is Nismo inspired. So let me take you to the back and show you how it's done. I've been a craftsman all my life. I work with my hands and making sure things are done right. But I got an unusual request today. I got this beautiful GTR. It's a 2021, and the customer wants me to cut his fenders, believe it or not, in order to install this carbon fiber vent, as you can see here. So I'm going to have to cut a section open. There's no instructions, there's no template, and we're going to have to make this work somehow. So stick around for the quality craftsmanship that we're about to do here. All right, here we got the trunk prepped. What we did beforehand was we made sure that we drilled all the holes and mocked up the rear wing really nice to make sure everything fit properly. We'll go ahead and touch up all the holes to make sure we prevent rust. We're going to use a special adhesive to make sure everything is in place and weatherproof. And then we're going to go ahead and put all new fasteners and quality components to put it all together. So as you can see, the wing is going to turn out really nice like you see here. And that is very well secured. It's going to give the car some more downforce at high speed, so you'll have more stability in the highway or at the racetrack. It also gives the vehicle a very nice, distinct race look, and it is a Nismo-inspired real carbon fiber wing. Here at Velocity Factor is all about the quality craftsmanship, the fit and finish. So we wanted to show you guys our work. Later on, we're going to go ahead and add a suspension and a nice set of wheels on this car as the build continues. I want to send a big shout out to Peter from APR Performance for building and supplying us with these awesome carbon fiber aerodynamics. We really appreciate your work. My name is Felipe. Thank you so much for watching this segment, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.